Hello, welcome to the next series of videos. Today we're going to look at solving word problems with unit rates. In example 1, it asks us to solve the word problem with a decimal answer. At Garcia's bike shop, it's $29 to rent a bike for 8 hours. How many hours of bike use does the customer get per dollar? So here they want hours per dollar. They want hours per dollar. So we're going to look at hours per dollar. Remember that per means to divide, so our answer, our unit rate, is going to be written as 8 over 9 as a fraction, 8 over 29 as a fraction, but really we're going to do 8 divided by 29. And here we can use a calculator to get our answer. After you punch 8 divided by 29 into a calculator, you're going to end up with 0.27586 and some other numbers. I want to round to the hundredths place. Here's the tens, here's the hundredths. So I want to round, I'm going to use this number to round it. Since 5 is greater than 5, or is equal to 5, I'm going to round the 7 up. So my answer is going to be about 0.28. So that would go here. For part B, it says a color printer prints 8 pages in 3 minutes. How many pages does it print per minute? So I want to know pages per minute. Pages per minute. Remember that per means to divide. So pages is going to go first, 8 pages, over 3 minutes, which is 8 divided by 3. After I punch this into my calculator, I end up with 2.66666. Repeating. I would need to round to the hundredths place, which is right here. So I'm going to use this 6, which is larger than 5, to round it. So my answer is going to be about 2.67. So the answer for pages per minute is 2.67 pages per minute. Let's look at another example. It takes 74 pounds of seed to completely plant a 10-acre field. How many acres can be planted per pound? So I want to know acres per pound. Excuse me. Acres per pound. Acres per pound. Remember that per means to divide. Since acres goes first, I need to find my acres. Well, it says there's a 10-acre field. So this is going to equal 10 over 74. 10 acres over 74 pounds equals 10 divided by 74. So after we punch that into our calculators, I get 0.1351 and a bunch of numbers. Here's my hundredths place, which I'm going to need to round to because that's what the problem asks. I'm going to look back one space at the 5. It's going to round it up to about 0.13, or excuse me, to 0.14. Part B, Rachel runs 12 miles in 109 minutes. How many minutes per mile does she run? So I want to go minutes per mile. Remember that per means divide. So I'm going to have 109 over 12, which is 109 divided by 12. After I punch that into the calculator, I get 9.0833 and so on. Here's my hundreds place. I need to use the 3 to round it. It's going to equal about 9.08. So my answer is 9.08. So remember that the problem is going to give you the answer in the exact order you need it to find. You need to find it in. So make sure you check your rate, acres per pound, miles per minute, and you go back and read the problem, because if you don't put it in the right order, you're going to get the incorrect answer. And the problem gives you the correct order every time. Good luck.